Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video we are going to see about gradient backgrounds in Flutter. So let's start doing it. Before that, let me write some skeleton code. First we need to import the material package. And now I'm going to create the main method and call the run app method present over there. I'm creating a new material app. So I'm going to specify the home property and let's say home page. Yes. So let's now create this home page. I'm going to create a stateless widget as of now. Give it as home page. Right. So now I'm going to create a simple scaffold widget. And I'm giving a small app bar to it. And I'll be giving some title over here. Say Flutter gradients. That you can also say central title equal to true. And then I'm going to give the body for the scaffold. Say I'm going to give a container to my scaffold body. One container. So this container takes the child widget. I'm going to create a text for this in the center. Say text. Okay, gradients are cool. So this is the skeleton till now. So let's run this. So now as you can see, we have got the app bar and the text with gradients are called centered to the container widget. So in order to bring up the gradient background, so we are going to decorate this container widget. So there is a property in this container widget called decoration. This decoration takes the decoration box. So okay, sorry, this decoration takes the box decoration. And this box decoration contains a property linear gradient. Sorry, it contains property gradient, and in this gradient you can specify your type of the gradient. So for now I am going to give the linear gradient, and this linear gradient takes a property called colors, and this colors accepts the list of colors. So we are going to pass the list which contains colors. Let's specify some colors over here to get the gradient background. Say colors dot. So now I'm giving a couple of the colors to this linear gradient widget. So let's see the output. See, as you can see, we have got the two colors. One is the indigo and the other is the blue mix, and you can also specify the begin and end parameters to your gradient. So I'm going to give the top left as the begin parameter for the gradient, and for the end I'm going to give the bottom right alignment, not bottom right. And so when you as you can see, the begin and end parameters have been changed to this linear gradient. And also you can give more colors over here. You can also specify some colors, other colors, say colors dot orange. As you can see, you can give any number of colors, and if you wanted to specify any Xcode other than the colors present in the material design, you can do it in this way. Say 0xFF, and you can write your 6-digit Xcode over here. say 732. See, as you can see, I've got the purple color since this Xcode is for the purple. So let's just keep it as indigo. Similar to linear gradient, there are other two gradients. There is one thing called radial gradient, and this radial gradient doesn't require this begin and end parameters. See, as you can see, if you specify radial gradient, the gradient appears in this way. There is other one called sweep gradient. When you see the output, the sweep gradient looks like this. So this is how you can create gradients in Flutter. You can use the container and you can decorate this container with help of this box decoration, and you can specify the type of gradient which you need and with the colors you required, and you can also specify the begin and end parameters of your event. And also there are more other properties present in these widgets. You can refer to the documentation and play with that. So this is how you can create gradients in Flutter. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video.